Everybody, so welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and this is a question that came up a little bit in our private course community this week. I'm recording this on the 7th, I believe, of July 2022, and I'm going to show you a really simple hack for those of you selling web development design sort of services for really creating really great high converting landing pages that really do truly convert like crazy, with really the push of a button. So in as you can see here, I'm in my Flodesk account. Flodesk is simply an email newsletter software for sending out newsletters, email automation, drip sequences, delivering ebooks, lead magnets, et cetera, all that sort of stuff. So I just sent this out a couple minutes ago. Actually, today's the 6th of July, not the 7th. And literally, this went out just in the last couple minutes. So as you can see here, this is a template that I use quite often for one of the niches that we send a lot of content out to, or weekly content. It's a mindfulness slash sort of spiritual growth niche. And the last one I sent was on the 30th of June, so about a week ago, to about 1,500 people on this particular list. And what I'm going to show you here is a really simple way of, after you send an email using Flodesk in particular, I don't know if other services do this. I think MailChimp may have something analogous, but they're a lot more expensive, is actually turning these emails into really attractive, high converting landing pages. So if you click on the three dots right here, you'll see all the various options that I have here. So this just went out again to 1,438 people a few minutes ago. And all I'm going to do here is view in browser. You can either get a shareable link or view this in browser. I'm going to view this in browser. So you're going to see here, when I click on the direct link, this is actually now a landing page, right? So I can send people by dint of this URL, or I could actually create a tracking link that sends people to this URL. So I use a branded tracking link, or like a link cloaking tool that allows me to, send a attractive short link to this URL. And this is what folks are going to see, right? So they're going to see this really nicely designed landing page that has a, really it's thin, right? So it's narrow, which converts a lot better than traditional, kind of wide pages. And I'm going to go back, actually, let's see if I can show you a better example here of something that's a little bit more fleshed out. So let's look at this one in the browser. It's the same template, but there's a little bit more content on this one. And again, if I had to like create a style like this using WordPress or Card or TypeDream or Squarespace, it would be a little bit more challenging, right? But this allows me to really quickly use these templates that are actually going out as emails and then are really high converting landing pages by dint of the buttons. And you could have 10 steps here. I have 3, 1, 2, 3, with another link. And it looks really good on mobile. It has a little SIG thing. And again, I don't have to do anything other than send this email, and this landing page is literally ready to go, and it can be published on the web, and you can drive traffic to this page and really get some great results. The secret to doing this for clients is simply use your Flodesk account as a vehicle by which you're creating lots of these landing pages for lots of different clients. All these pages can be customized. Let's see if I go into, if you go into forms right here, you can see that I have a shit ton of them that I kind of don't want to be publicly visualized here. But if you go to new form and let's say you have pop-ups, I usually pick full page. And here are just some of these are the landing pages. You can create these for your clients that are email they're lead generation pages. So it's a little bit different than the email marketing pages, but it's the same general idea. You can literally create great looking landing pages for your clients using these landing page templates, and then you can actually sell a back end service such as email marketing or a 7 email drip campaign. These are ideal for pretty much every sort of business that you can imagine, whether you're working with local clients or whether you're actually targeting like a very niche oriented industry like I am. It's really super effective, really, really easy, and most important, it's very scalable. You can keep rinsing, repeating, and replicating this across, pretty much all of your. You can keep iterating on this so that you have multiple clients who are using the same style landing page, and you're just simply putting in a new form for each client and crafting a new campaign for each client. Or you can simply do the first thing that I demonstrated, which is send emails out and then just build these really like high converting landing pages. Again, you can see, I have lots of these. Let's look at this one here. I don't even know what we're about to see, but if I go to view in browser, you'll see a more e-commerce oriented sort of page. Actually, this might even be like a demo that I didn't send. It is, right? So this is actually just a template that I was customizing that I didn't even mail out. But if I'll show you one other thing while we're doing this. Let's go into emails. Actually, just pick new email, and I'll show you some of the email templates, like the one you just looked at a moment ago. If we click on this, you can create these really great looking e-commerce landing pages that are colorful, that are very cool, right? That's what you just saw a moment ago. And these really convert super well. And if you're doing this, again, using the landing page approach, you can send this email out immediately after it's sent. You just get the shareable link and you have a landing page that you can actually give to your clients that will do really, really well for them if they're selling, content, downloads, courses, even coaching, all that sort of thing. And Flodesk has a ton of these style templates, which makes them super attractive to me. Anyway, hope this has been a little bit helpful. It's a simple hack or workaround that, in some ways is more appealing than the traditional, card sort of landing page approach or using that style system. And it serves multiple purposes insofar as you can send the email first, and then immediately you have access to these great looking landing pages that have all of the links intact and all the stuff that that you value as an e-commerce entrepreneur. Okay, thank you so much as always for watching. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.